Drone footage hovers over the vibrant shoreline of Puerto Vallarta, revealing golden sands kissed by the Pacific. "I promise, you've never felt this free before," the narrator says. "Welcome to Puerto Vallarta, a place where stunning views and open arms await." The video transitions to cobblestone streets and colorful art murals. "This isn't just a destination," the voice continues. "It's a vibrant embrace for all travelers, especially those in the Black and LGBTQ+ communities. Now you're soaring over Los Muertos Beach, locals smiling bright as the waves serenade. Can you hear the rhythm of liberation here? Think it couldn't get better? Add the historic Zona Romantica, known for its inclusive nightlife. From cozy beachfront bars to pulsating clubs, it's a celebration every night. Travel tip: October through May boasts perfect weather, festivals, and pride events. Hidden gem alert: head to Playa Conchas Chinas for serene, crowd-free vibes. And the food? Oh, the food. Savor fresh ceviche, locally grown coffee, and explore bustling markets. Then, the voice softens. Imagine a world where exploration means safety, beauty, and belonging. Closing shot: a warm sunset over the bay. Travel where you're celebrated. Pack those bags. Puerto Vallarta is waiting. Text fades in. Your passport to adventure is just one click away. Subscribe to Destination Travel. The screen dims, but the inspiration lingers.